Congratulations on your new Massimo. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors or tackling tough jobs, your Massimo is built to perform. But to ensure years of reliable service, it's crucial to follow the proper break-in procedure and maintain a regular maintenance schedule. The break-in period is the first few hours of operation. During this time, the engine, transmission, and other components are bedding in. This means parts are wearing slightly to create a perfect fit for optimal performance and longevity. Tip 1, vary your speed. Avoid constant high speeds or heavy loads. Gradually increase engine speed and vary your driving style. Tip 2, check fluids regularly. Monitor oil, coolant, and transmission fluid levels. Tip 3, listen for unusual noises. Pay attention to any unusual sounds or vibrations. Tip 4, avoid extreme conditions. During break-in, avoid extreme temperatures, heavy towing, or prolonged idling. Your owner's manual provides detailed instructions on the specific break-in procedure for your Massimo model. It's essential to read and follow these guidelines carefully. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your Massimo running smoothly and preventing costly repairs. Follow the recommended service intervals. Your owner's manual outlines a specific maintenance schedule, including oil changes, filter replacements, and other essential checks. Use genuine Massimo parts. Using genuine parts ensures the highest quality and compatibility with your vehicle. Address issues promptly. Don't ignore warning signs. If you notice any problems, have your Massimo inspected by a qualified technician. By following the break-in procedure and adhering to the recommended maintenance schedule, you can maximize the lifespan and performance of your Massimo.